Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphilake. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje awukhiphi nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza ukwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke zinjalo nje engizobe ngikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphuzi kulezi ndaba ongakwenza-ke njengamanje ukuthi-ke cindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona namhlanje ukuthi-ke waseZimbabwe-ke laphana-ke uyaguqa-ke ucela-ke usizo-ke laphana-ke kwi-MKNC EFF-ke laphana-ke ucela-ke usizo-ke uyachaza ukuthi-ke indaba-ke uveza-ke nokuningi-ke engafuni ukuthi-ke wakuzwa ngami-ke. Mina phela into nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo yakhe nomlisa-ke uzuzwele wena ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mina-ke sengicela ukulaphana ukuthi-ke masuzwile-ke le vidiyo nawe ungene kuma-comment section ufushe umbono wakho ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu ukuthi-ke wena-ke ucabanga kanjani-ke laphana-ke masicala nebhathini nje subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje awukhiphi nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza ukwazi ukuthi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. Nawe-ke le vidiyo-ke awuyithokozele.
ANC, EFF, MK, DA, and all political parties in South Africa, I am making a plea to you. Zimbabweans are too much in South Africa, and Zimbabweans do not want to be here. The sad issue is that Zimbabweans are now playing a vital role on election results. ANC dropped the results because of foreigners. EFF could have done much better than it did. But because of our presence in South Africa, they dropped elections. Because South Africans don't want foreigners in here. Now, we also don't want to be here. We want to be home. So we need your help. We can't do it on our own. ZANU-PF has guns. They are ready to kill everyone who stands in their way. But the pressure from ANC and all South Africa's political parties can go a long way to solve and salvage the situation in Zimbabwe. And Zimbabweans will then go home. I believe in borderless continent. But I want this borderless to be fair. I want South Africans to go work or invest in Zimbabwe, black South Africans. I also want Zimbabweans to work in South Africa, in Zambia, and all over the world. Every black person must be able to go and work wherever they want to be, or in Africa. But it has to be fair, it has to be level, it has to be okay. Zimbabwe must function so that the South Africans also can go there and work. That's the truth, and that's the reality. And we can't do it on our own. We can't fix Zimbabwe on our own. Just because 6 or 7 of the ANC top leaders have got mines in Zimbabwe and farms, they are costing the whole party because of selfishness. Come on, guys. We need help. ANC, you are the bigger brother to ZANU-PF. Why don't you confront them, put pressure on them to run free and fair elections in the country, to level the political ground in the country? Please, we need your help. And many things will change here in South Africa. I can tell you that. A lot of things. So let's sit down. Help us with the help that we need. We will tell you how we need to be assisted so that Zim also can function and can be okay.